Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve update on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve update on Discord app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Discord. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can click here to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.